Why must it always rain when I have something planned? I know you guys see that. It is dark out there. It's not fair. Just saw a squirrel go underneath the car. It's not fair. You hear that thunder? Do you hear the thunder, Bunny? I know. I know. This little one already had a bath. Yeah, you had a bath. Poor baby. I love you.
Love you too.
Birthday girl.
Oh, that was yesterday. Today is a new day.
How's it feel to be old?
I don't know, you tell me.
I don't know, I'm not as old as you.
And your point is?
I'm not as old as you.
I don't know. I've never been this age before, so I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. So,
So we had planned last night to go to the waterfront and cue the thunder, cue the rain. He's so beautiful. He knows it's his turn for a shower. Nala had hers, so it's his turn now. And I don't think he's very happy about that.
really? Poor baby.
I know, guys. I know. I don't know what we're gonna do. If it's gonna rain, I'm thinking on just tying him up outside in the rain, throw some soap on him, let the rain wash it off, go from there. Another option is going underneath the carport, which we have done before. Wasn't very successful, but it worked. And number 3 is kind of a last resort, I guess you could say. It's the bathroom. And we would have to take the curtains off and remove anything that he can grab onto and just make sure that he doesn't tunnel his way out, because he is just that afraid of water. And it's getting dark really quick. Bring on the summer storms. This is kind of infuriating though. Like, I did want to go do something with Mom, and obviously the weather has to play a big part in it, and so I guess we'll just find something to do in the house. Might convince her to play Scrabble, and if we do, might bring you guys along. How's that sound? Do you like to play Scrabble? What is your favorite board game? What do you like to do for fun when, weather strikes like this? We like to play card games, board games, anything that's really fun. That's what we like to do. Look at this mister. Hey. Arr. Fix that. There we go. He's Mr. Nosy right now. I just don't know what to do now, you guys. It is dark in here now. It's not fair. It's really not fair. That's what I'm looking at. It's all gloom. All gloom. She's all snuggled right here. Looking cute and adorable. Yes, you are. You in your little blanket. I showed you guys the front. What's going on up there? This is what we've got going on back here. A lot of fun. Lots of fun, lots of fun. You hear that thunder? I know. I know, mister. I know. He's not a big fan of thunder. I haven't had too many animals that were okay with it. They've all usually been like super scared and very panicky whenever it happened. Right now Nala's a little chill. She's just asleep. But not Thumper. He's up and about. And he's on alert. My nose itches. Yeah. So this is the front. Sounds like thunder's coming from that direction. This is the front. You see all that shaking. Oh man. I'm so mad. So mad. I won't be able to go anywhere and do anything. Whoa. That was bright. That was the bright lightning. See if we can get some more to come around. Oh, I know, baby. I know. I know. It's okay. Oh. Alright guys, well I think we're just gonna go ahead and say goodnight. At least to you guys. Not really goodnight as in we're gonna go to bed. It's like an hour before Romana Atwood's episode of Tanked. But what are you doing? What are you doing in here? But I thought it would be easier to just go ahead and say goodnight now, so I can go watch that episode when it comes around, and hopefully you guys stay tuned to it. Hopefully you guys are watching it or will watch it, whatever. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!